Today, we are going to be looking at intraday trading on gold. Yes, the shiny metal. So now, today, 24th April 2024, the month is gradually rounding up, and I'm going to show you what happened on the gold and what we should be expecting further. Now, today happens to be Wednesday, and this is the information for Wednesday here, and then this is the information for yesterday, Tuesday. I'll put TU here, and then here is the information for Monday. And of course, you can judge by the vertical lines. So Monday, the market started here, and then we had a major drop, which went all the way down here, where we had a level of support, 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 and support, right? So you can see that this area was key. And then what happened, it struggled here for a bit, and then we had a big, massive candle break the support level over here. So that means that here, former support, after price broke the support level, the other side now becomes resistance. And if you look carefully, we had a bounce over here and another one, more or less a double bottom. So you could also call this a support area here. Now, where would you expect the market will go back to on a Tuesday after dropping this much? On Monday and then Tuesday, early in the morning, early Asian session. It went back to the area of resistance. And funny enough, that is where we are now. So we have two plays over here. In the market, you always need to pay attention to the opportunities that you have, either for buying or for selling. You also need to know the type of trader that you are, whether you are a trend trader or a counter trend trader. So far, this market seems to be going downwards. So if you are a trend trader, you should be looking forward to selling opportunities. Where would you be selling? You'll be selling at this area here. Don't forget, here is the information for Wednesday, which happens to be today. So where it is here, what we're looking out for our trigger would either be the price action hammer, bearish hammer, or the bearish pin bar, which happens to be the same thing. And this is how they look like. Something in this manner, right? Where the upper wick is longer than the lower wick, right? So this is a variation of the pin bar hammer we like to see here for bearish, or a sort of engulfing where we have two candles in play. The first one, a pretty small one, and then the second one, a bigger one. And since it is bearish, the second one is going to be the bearish candle formation that we're looking out for over here at the area of resistance, right? And if we get that entry here, then we should expect the price to go all the way back to this area of support. So this is just for you to know that in today's analysis, gold intraday analysis, we have opportunity in the market. All you have to do is to pay attention to the price action candlestick formation trigger that we have here that could suggest more selling and then drop all the way to this point here. Now, what if it doesn't sell? What if it's going to break through this area to the upside? If that is the case, wait for price to push higher, and then that area that has been acting as support in the past, and it acted as resistance here. If peradventure it breaks to the upside, we should expect that area to now act as support, and then we take it off from here. Don't forget, wait for your price action trigger at this area of support. Now, it could be anything apart from the pin bar hammer, bearish engulfing we mentioned. It could even be a doji. It could be spinning top. It could be combination of candles. It could be combination of patterns. It could be the M pattern here, or whatever the case might be. But all you need to do is have your short trigger, pull the trigger, put your stop loss to take profit, and let the market do its thing. Now, if this video was helpful, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. And of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So what is your own analysis for today? This is the intraday for gold. What is your own analysis for gold today? Let us know. Drop it in the description. and of course, we will discuss it further, and we'll look at how the market develops the more. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day, and goodbye for now. Cheers.